Yeah, she found a ball. Sweetie, you want your dad to hold your ticket and your dollies? Okay. Good. So how was your flight, Marty?
Everything went perfect.
Good.
Good timing, good landing. My baggage made it. I had a nice TV, to pass the time, and
Good. Good.
got here about noon.
All right.
And met Josh at Jay's, and we just kind of hung out for most of the time.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
I'm impressed you biking here.
Oh, yeah, it's a lot easier getting around town on a bike anymore.
I noticed they got a lot of bike, what do you call it, bikeways in the middle of the roads.
Yes, they do. And it's getting even more popular.
For